Long press the power button to turn on the remote control. Open the drone's shell. Find the receiving box. Power up the drone. The light is green now. Use a conductive tool to temporarily short-circuit positions 3 and 4 on the left side of the receiver. The indicator light is now flashing rapidly. Open the remote control and click frequency matching. Follow the instructions below. After the remote control displays successful frequency synchronization, it indicates that the pairing has been successful. After successful pairing, turn off the power of the drone. Put the receiver back into place and restore the drone shell.